special, the pride, the passion. It adds to a massive sense of occasion. If you're just joining us, has a goal! Goal! Inter! And that's got him off to a flyer!
The perfect show of intent, great purpose, great industry, and great confidence.
That is a super smooth goal, beautiful manoeuvring of the ball, and splendid authority in the finish.
Yeah, the touch before the finish is so often the critical part, and we've just seen an example.
I doubt very much that this was in the script. Big chance! What? He's had a hit! It's a goal! They have heard the starter's pistol and come racing out of the blocks.
That looks like a preconceived plan. Win the ball and then unleash.
Inter Milan are sitting pretty, 2-0 up.
To be expected, Peter. They've gone and stepped it up, something they've been threatening to do and will continue to do by the looks of it.
And the finish! And it's there! And he is just ripping it up!
Well, I think there's a few trying to claim offside, but he looks to have been on. Yeah, he was on.
And there was his third, and boy, he looks the business, doesn't he just?
Well, he's been on a crusade, and his first goal seemed to just whet the appetite.
Inter Milan find a position of real strength now.
And things are much healthier in their favour. Mind you, you would have thought that when the last one went in.
Khela, defending his corner stubbornly, stood up very well to his man. Look at the space here. Ribery! It's in! And again, they simply do not know what has hit them.
Inter clearly executed that with considerable confidence. It only took seconds to score once the ball was recovered.
Things looking so easy, almost too easy here. Shot a goal! It's there! Hot knife through butter. They have done it again.
Well, it's a goal fest, and the fact it's so one-sided now is getting scary.
It's become a case of men against boys.
Well, it's been an absolutely fabulous spell for them, and they're starting to look unstoppable. There could be more.
There's the shot! And yes, it's there! And they're at it again in double quick time.
Yeah, it has become ugly for one, but the other is still delivering beauty.
And he's done it again. He's got his second.
Well, their manager seems to have them always thinking about the next goal. When's the next goal coming? They're such an entertainer.
Can he put it away? And that's wide.
Well, he did get himself into a good position, something for him to cling to.
Oh, that is asking for trouble. And he's away. Well, the movement is slick, the speed is slippery. The defence, though, able to hold on this time.
We're seeing some really good pressure being applied here, Peter, particularly from those guys up front.
And it just, I suppose, Jim, denies the others time and space.
Well, I would call it blanket suffocation. Every single player is committed to the press, and there's simply no way out.
Oh no, this does not look good. Now the finish! Keeper always had the measure of that.
Oh, look, I don't want to sound too dismissive, but from here, that looked the harder thing to do.